Hey everyone, and welcome to the TSeller stock recon tutorial. And today's video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to use the stock recon feature directly on TSeller's web platform. And I'm just going to explain to you guys that don't know what recon is, exactly what it is and how to do it. So first of all, you need to make sure to log into the TSeller web application. You can just go to tseller.co.za and use your same login details as you used for the app. Then in the header, we're going to navigate over to the recon page. So what is a recon? Takealot allows you to claim back stock that they have lost or damaged and you need to be reimbursed for it. So Takealot doesn't tell you this or show it to you anywhere. You need to download a stock recon file, which is very confusing. And you then need to create an invoice to actually send to Takealot and invoice them for the stock. This is what the recon tool does, and it makes this process a lot easier. So you download the file, upload it in here in TSeller. We will create the invoice for you, and then you can just submit it to Takealot following the steps. So first of all, on the recon page, there's a couple of things that you need to know. You can start a new recon. This is what we will use to do our recon. You can create an invoice. So you can create an invoice from scratch for any business related purpose. You have your business details. So if you click on that and you fill that out, you will then be able to see all of those details on every single invoice that you do going forward. You're also able to see your recent invoices that you submitted. And then there is a learn button, which will link to this video that I'm recording right now. At the bottom, you'll be able to see your last month's 6 recons that you have submitted. And at the top, you're also able to track it with a little how-to guide that will show you step-by-step how to do it. But I'm going to show you guys anyways right now. So the first thing you need to do is head over to your Takealot seller portal. On the left-hand side, click on reports. And then at the top, click on stock recon. Choose your date. So I'm going to be doing November's stock recon. And then you click on request report at the top right. It will now say in progress right here. So all you need to do is just give it maybe 2 or 3 minutes. It will generate the report and you'll be able to download it. So I'm just going to wait for this one to finish, and then we're going to show you what to do with the file next. So now you can just refresh at the top and you'll be able to see the file says complete now, and you can click on the download button on the top right. Then you navigate your way back to TSeller and you're going to click on start new recon. You're going to take your stock recon that you just downloaded and you're going to drag it into this block right here. You can also select it from your files if it's not there already. Then at the bottom right, you click on continue and you'll be prompted with all of this info right here that will be on your invoice. So just the data summary quickly, show you how many items is being needed to claim back, the total and the average value, also what item needs to be claimed back, and then it will have your company details there that you have entered into your business info. At the bottom here, you will have Takealot's details. And then if you are VAT registered and you really want to show it on your invoice, you can check this little box, which will calculate the VAT. You can also include your payment details if you want to, but this does not have any effect on your actual invoice and the stock recon outcome when it comes to Takealot. So you can turn it on or you can turn it off. It doesn't matter. Then at the bottom right, we're going to click on continue, and then we'll be prompted with this screen where we have our actual recon and our actual invoice. You can customize the invoice to whatever color you like. So I'm going to make it blue for TSeller. And then at the top here, you're going to click on download PDF. That will download your invoice. It looks like a real invoice, so you can print this out and keep it in your books for record as well. And then you can click on continue. Now we need to submit this invoice with all of the relevant information so Takealot can actually come and reimburse us into our Takealot account. So the first thing is click on the Open Takealot Support Page button. This will take you where you need to upload this file. So your email address, you will take your email address right here. Please make sure that when you are using your email address, that it is the registered email that is linked to your Takealot account. If it is not, they will not respond to the ticket and they won't assist you. This needs to be an email address that is on your Takealot account. Then you're going to copy the subject and you're going to scroll down. You're going to paste the subject in there. Then you're going to copy the message and you're going to scroll down. You're going to paste the message right there. Then you leave this on seller query types. You're going to scroll down almost all the way down and you're going to find stock recon right there. And then you're going to click on I need to be reimbursed for missing stock. Then your seller ID, you'll be able to copy from your seller portal. So right there at the top of your seller portal, you'll be able to copy it, and then you can paste it in here. You can also say, I have attached my invoice and I have attached my stock recon. Then you need to actually import both of those files right here. I'm going to import both of them. And it's very important. Please do not rename the stock recon file that you downloaded from Takealot, as they use the file name to identify what they need to reimburse you for. So don't change the name, otherwise they won't be able to track it and it won't match with what is on your actual invoice. And then last step is to click on submit. Once you click on submit, Takealot will email you with a ticket number and assign you to an agent that will assist you with your reimbursement. Then you can head back to TSeller. At the bottom, click mark as complete, and then that will allocate that amount to your December or November calculation, and you'll be able to track them right at the top. You can also review your recent invoice, and you can go and you can download old recons or old invoices that you have created. And that is basically how you submit a stock recon. Takealot will reimburse you for this always. It is important to note that there is a 230 Rand recon fee. If your recon is less than 230 Rand, don't submit it because you'll just lose money. So if it is above 230 and you can afford to take that 230 and claim back your stock, then definitely do it. I recommend every single Takealot seller does this on a monthly basis so that you can see what you need to be reimbursed for and that you don't lose out on anything that went lost or that got damaged. We'll also be making a lot of new videos on every single feature that TSeller has to offer. So make sure to subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so that you can learn how to use the web platform as efficiently as possible.